It's January the 6th. We're unhooking everything, trying to clean everything up, and we're fixing to take the water tank off of the cotton truck and put it under another shelter. Let it hibernate till next year. There comes Reed. We just bolt it down in the back of a truck on skids, and we can just unload it when we don't need it.
Now. It wouldn't normally lock you up. Alright.
Yeah, get the rest of the water out. One more thing to bring in. Got the cotton trailer in here. And the tank. Make sure it's out of gas. cat not for sale in California. Huh. I'm glad we live over here. I reckon they must eat them in California, I guess. Anyway, got everything tucked away. Now we're gonna go and finish cleaning the truck off.
Good morning, guys. It's January the 7th, I think. JD got moved over here to the other side of Claxon. He got a field in the back done. Got this field about halfway done. Dad's on it right now. And Dustin, he hauls all our cotton, all our peanuts, and lamb plaster. So I'll try and get a video of him hauling out here. He just left. It's a really sharp looking rig. But I think he holds 8 at the time, or yeah, I think it's 8. See if Dad's gonna go another round or not. Don't look like it. Oh, maybe he is. Francisco and Alfredo, they go back January the 15th. They go back to Mexico. We just don't really need that many people in the winter, but right now Francisco and Alfredo are, Reyes and Francisco are still doing dirt work, and Alfredo, Tyler, and John Lee are they are still clearing land right now. They redigging a ditch on a field that the ditch has got grown up and trees have grown all the way around it, and we're taking all of it down. Definitely needs to be gone. Reed, he is putting brakes on our low boy. They needs brakes pretty bad, and then after he gets done with that, we'll probably start trying to get a hopper bottom hooked up and start hauling some corn. We can get some contracted bushels that we're going to go ahead and get out the way. So we'll start doing that. I don't know what he's doing. Must have got off his GPS line somehow, or disengaged and something. I don't know. He's turning around. I get some video of him coming back. This cotton did really good. It's dry land. I think this field picked. We haven't got it ginned. Obviously, it's still out, sitting out here, but he's already hauled a good bit up. But it probably picked 1,500 or 1,600 pounds, probably. Hopefully a little better than that, but we'll see. It's got one wet hole right there, but usually we don't have any problem with it. So Dad put a bearing on this thing first thing this morning. JD had a basket bearing go out, and he didn't have one. It was in, Dad had one in his truck, so he came over here and put it on. About to finish this field. And we got 20-ish acre, 22 acres across the road. And then we gotta move, not far at all, to, we're kind of getting closer to where Colin's been slinging at. But still a nice job. But yeah, y'all can see here what I was talking about yesterday. How the stalks still they're still intact. Let's see if I can show y'all. Yeah, look. And yeah, so that's why we like to leave them. You can see them still. I'm trying to sprinkle out here. I guess he wants to keep going. There's Dustin. So here's what Tyler, John Lee, and Alfredo have been doing. This whole ditch is full of trees and all kinds of trash. John Lee's digging the ditch out. Tyler's cleaning some stuff up over there, looks like. But it's definitely gonna help this field drain. It's really flat field and there's not hardly any slope, and the water really definitely didn't have anywhere to go with all the trees that were stopping it. So we got both excavators out here. Got a big dump truck, bulldozer, dump trailer. I had to come borrow a grease gun from them real quick.